Hello everyone, my name is Georgie Espinosa. For today's video, I'm gonna explain about the act. Unsa may meaning ng the act in ethics. In ethics, an act, especially a human act, refers to a conscious, free, and deliberate action performed by a human being with full knowledge and consent, making them morally accountable. It is a distinguished from act of man, instinctive, unconscious action, and is evaluated based on its object, intention, and circumstances. The act day kay noon din na siya as the human act, dili lang din na basta sa paglihok sa atong mga lawas, kundi kini day kay nagpasabot ni sa mga aksyon nga gibuhat sa mga tao nga maunang freedom, willful ug knowledge. Unsa man din meaning ana nilang tulo? Knowledge refers to the intellectual awareness of the consciousness of the act being performed, including understanding its nature, means, and consequences. Ang kananing knowledge ay kay ang pasabot diyan na day kay kananing nakaibalo ka o nakasabot ka sa imong gibuhat ng bitaw nga wala ka gaduduha nga imo na siyang gibuhat pananglitan no kanang kaibalo ka nga ang pagpamakak makadaot sa pagsalig pero nibakak gyapon ka manana ba. Freedom refers to the power of the will to act without internal or external coercion, allowing the agent to choose to perform or not perform an action. Ang kananing freedom day kay ang pasabutan na niya kay kananing dahom niya sa kabutputon kanang sa paglihok nga walay pinagsanay ba pananglitan no kanang gikuha nimo ang pitaka sa limisa tungod kay gusto nimo dili tungod kay naay nagtutok nimo o pusil kanang imo agi siyang own decision ba. Mana. Willful voluntariness refers to an act that proceeds from an intention, consent, or choice, meaning the action is controlled by the agent's own will. Willful day kay nagpasabot nga ang lihok gikan jud sa kasing-kasing kanang imo yung extension sa pagkatao baka imo gani nga gustuhan panalitan no kanang nagdonate ka og kwarta sa charity tungod kay gusto nimo makatabang dili tungod kay napugos ka o panalitan na kanang nanghawat ka og kwarta sa bangko kabaw ka nga sayop pero ngawat ang gabong ka nana ba imo ganing kagustuhan.
Good morning everyone, my name is John Diptutod. I'm gonna explain what is feeling and moral decision making. Feeling a seductive and trained response to moral dilemmas. Feeling are natural reaction to moral dilemmas. They can also be shaped by experience, education, making them a train and respond. Ang meaning din ng feeling kay parang emotion or damdamin mo. Yan, it's how you react emotionally to a situation like feeling happy, sad, or angry. Yan, kaning moral decision making is about choosing what's right or wrong based on your values and principles. It's like you're gonna decide whether to do something that's ethical or not. Mo na ang sabot sa feeling and moral decision making.
Hi everyone, my name is Square de la Serna. Today's report, I'm gonna report why they can be obstacles to making the right decisions. Feelings can hinder correct decision making when they lead person to act based on personal interest or emotion instead of reason and rationality. For example, if someone is angry, they might say hurtful words without thinking. If someone is afraid, they might avoid doing the right thing. If someone is too excited, they might make quick decisions without thinking about the consequences. So feeling can become an obstacles because they may lead a person to act based on personal emotions instead of careful thinking and rational judgment.
I am Jesus Arnado Cansancio. How they can help in making the right decisions. Feelings can assist moral decision making by providing insight into personal values and sensitivity to the effects of decision on others.
Thank you.
So, good morning everyone. My name is Kenneth Mahinay. O ako ang report sa number 2, reason and impartiality as minimum requirement for morality. So number 1, reason. Reason is the use of logic and thinking to evaluate moral situation. Reason means using logic and careful thinking to understand and judge a moral situation. It helps a person decide what is right or what is wrong by considering facts, consequences, and fairness instead of only relying on emotion or personal opinions. Impartiality is viewing situation without bias, ensuring equal treatment of all individuals. Impartiality means treating everyone fairly and without bias. It requires a person to look at a situation objectively and not favor anyone because of personal relationships, status, or background. Being impartial ensures that all individuals are given equal consideration and justice.
Hello everyone, I am Frankie Mercado. I'm gonna explain what is moral courage. Moral courage. Why the will is as important as reason. The will, freedom, or determination is important because it guides a person to carry out the right decision despite obstacles, while reason provides the basis for the decision. Ang moral courage ay that a person need both reason and will to make the right decision. Reason help us understand what is right or wrong, while the will gives us the determination and courage to do what is right even if there are challenges, fear, and obstacles. This means that knowing the right thing is not enough. We must also have the courage and determination to actually do it.